The relationship between learning method of prophetic character education with student achievement learning outcomes in vocational education in Indonesia. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This study aims to clarify the relationship between learning methods prophetic character education with student achievement in the field of character education in schools. This study uses a quantitative approach with a statistical formula product moment. Collecting data in this study using observations, questionnaires and documentation. In practice, the researchers conducted a study on the learning process in the classroom related to the way teachers teach or methods used in educational subjects prophetic character. Pembelajaran and curriculum materials have been determined by the school institution. Determined with a random sample of the population that has been quantified. After the learning process by using certain methods at the end of the semester and then held a test. The test results connected using product moment correlation statistical tests. The results are as follows. There is a correlation between the prophetic character education learning method with the results for students at the school with a degree of correlation is very strong. Thus it can be understood that the prophetic character education methods have relationships that can improve student learning outcomes in schools on vocational education. Character education is an important focus in many countries, aiming to prepare future generations with strong moral values that benefit both individuals and society as a whole. It involves intentional efforts by schools and educators to shape students' behavior and values through all aspects of school life. Character education emphasizes universal moral principles such as honesty, respect, responsibility, tolerance, and love for others and the environment. These values often come from religious teachings and are commonly known as the Golden Rule. In Indonesia, the need for character education has become more urgent due to rising social issues among youth, such as violence, dishonesty, drug use, and disrespect for others. Experts like Thomas Licona suggest that character involves moral understanding, feelings, and actions. A good character means knowing what is right, wanting to do the right thing, and acting accordingly. This study explores how using prophetic character learning methods, approaches inspired by the behavior and teachings of prophets, can impact students' character development and their understanding of moral values. The goal is to see whether these methods improve students' behavior and internalize important values at vocational schools in Indonesia. Character is seen as a person's unique way of thinking and behaving that reflects their moral integrity. The study focuses on 18 key character traits, including honesty, discipline, creativity, independence, and caring for others. By examining how character education is applied, especially through prophetic methods, this research aims to support efforts to build a stronger, more ethical generation. This study examined whether teaching methods based on prophetic character education are linked to better student outcomes in vocational schools. Using statistical analysis, the results showed a very strong relationship between the use of these teaching methods and improvements in both student behavior and academic performance. The analysis revealed a high correlation score, R is equal to 0.9046, meaning that when prophetic character education is applied effectively, students tend to perform better and show stronger moral character. Success in learning is influenced by both internal factors like motivation, intelligence, and interest, and external factors such as curriculum, teachers, and school facilities. The study concludes that prophetic character education can play an important role in shaping students' values and improving their overall achievement in vocational education. This approach not only helps develop strong character traits but also enhances learning outcomes in schools. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.